Digital marketing does not work for my sector. Multiple times, business owners, small business owners, shopkeepers, entrepreneurs, all of them reach out to me to consult. Digital marketing and all this hype is all fine. I understand that so many consumers are using digital for more than 6 hours per day. But digital marketing has never worked for my business. Will it ever work for me? Digital marketing, I know, works for new age technology companies. Digital marketing works for businesses. Digital marketing works for e-commerce companies. Digital marketing works for apparel manufacturers. Digital marketing works for sports equipment companies. But it does not work for my business. This is a constant question in the minds of many people, whether it is entrepreneurs or employees. Now, in this situation, how do you make digital marketing work for your sector, for your business, for your specific type of need? That becomes the problem to solve. And how do you do that? For this, we learn a new technique which is not available anywhere else in the world, called Digital Usefulness Index. Digital Usefulness Index will help you understand how your sector can benefit from digital marketing. Are you excited? Let's learn that right away. Wait. But before learning the Digital Usefulness Index, I need you to learn about two important concepts. What are those? Let's see in the next video. Thank you. I hope you are loving this course from Programming Hub. Keep learning and keep sharing. To learn more from us, hit on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get the latest updates from Programming Hub.